Hi everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. Thank you for joining me again. I've got the third and final booklet in my series. So I've made all these from the same pack. And if you want to see the flip through of these two, they were last week and the week before. So I've made a slightly different size again. So this was the long notebook. This was the autograph style notebook. And this one is more square. It's a bit like my needle books. Quite like this shape as well. I like them all actually. So I'll put those to one side and we'll just have a look through this one. Again, I've not made a cover, I've just used some of the paper from the pack. And this one I've made into a pocket. Again, it's a bit like my needle books. So inside this pocket I've got a flip down envelope for writing in and some extra paper. So these are very much going to be used for writing in these little notebook journals. This one has got a little bit more ephemera than the last one. I've got a tag, made a pocket there and put a tag there, some lovely washi tape from London Gifty, Helen from Journal with Purpose. Pass those on to me kindly. And some more washi tape on there with some writing space. Again, I've got some plain paper. I've used the stamp again just to put some script on in different areas. This is a collage page I've used with music paper and some serviettes I had, or napkins. And there's a little piece from the pack I've just ripped out. Does it sing of the horizon, never to be reached? And this lovely image of a golden horn blowing out stars and moon dust into your dreams. Nice writing paper. This one is made up from tracing paper, and I've just added some of the images on there, and I've stitched either end there just to make a pocket. Just put one of the ticket cards in there. And some washi tape. Another one of the tags, Blue Moon. On here I've just put sort of mathematical calculations just to make it more sort of astronomy type images. Another little pocket with some washi tape there and a little bit of paper, extra paper, just to jot a note on. I'll put a little tag there with some note paper, just little bits of torn up pages. And again over there, this is from a little invoice book. With half a clock face there, more of the collage, and more washi tape. This is the other side of the pocket. There's Dream Diary there. And I printed some images on here as well. But I printed one of the pages on this tracing paper, so it's come out rather nice there. Some collage areas, but for writing. And this is graph paper I've just folded. There's a little pocket there. another one of the tags. Again, I've just used a simple binding with needle and thread. All looks rather vintage-like. This is another pocket, stitched either side. I just folded it over so that it fits in a little booklet. I've just added some little bits of torn washi tape down there. It's rather effective. And I've torn the edges of the pages and inked them up. Again, some more washi tape. That's a music score there. It's just folded out just to give some extra writing space. More collaged areas. It gives that look of being handmade, doesn't it? And very vintage. This is one of the images, the pages in the pack. And also this one, and the lines here are white, so it really stands out like it's in the moonlight. And all I did, I took one of the A4 pages, folded it, inked here, and then folded it back again just to give it some more interest. And again there. These are beautiful washi tapes, very vintage looking, and that's got roses, a little bit of tape over there. More washi tape. And at the back, again some more washi tape and a little bit of note paper just popped in the pocket there. So I'm really pleased with all three of those. I hope you liked looking through them. It just shows what you can make. You don't have to make the A4 standard size, which I have made with this pack, but I thought I would do something a little bit different, and I'm probably going to do these sizes a bit more often. I quite like the mini style journal. So if you enjoyed looking at those, then please come back and see me next week, and I'll be doing some more paper crafting or fabric crafting. I hope you'll join me. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye for now.